Hi there. Today I will be tackling some commonly asked questions from parents. The first question I get asked is, what are the kinds of teaching strategies I use during math class? For math, I prioritize conceptual understanding. For students, to use mathematics flexibly and grapple with complex problems, they need more than memorized facts and procedures. They need a deeper understanding of mathematical concepts themselves. Hence, I make use of visual strategies. Making a concept visual allows students to see how an abstract concept translates to a physical scenario. For instance, I use illustrated problems or hands-on activities and encourage students to use their own visual methods when solving problems. For example, perhaps draw out the problem that they're solving. Seeing a problem in different ways also increases understanding and retention. I also explicitly teach the math vocabulary of a concept where I show the different ways a concept may be expressed as in words. Addition, for example, might be expressed as two quantities being together or a combined amount. Once they broaden their math vocabulary, they'll be able to use concepts much more flexibly. During class, I make use of cooperative learning strategies as well. Uh, it has three major benefits in math. One, it encourages students to verbalize their mathematical thinking, which in turn gives them more clarity and self-awareness of their own problem-solving strategies. Two, communicating with others exposes students to different mathematical approaches, which they can use to think more flexibly. And three, it mirrors the way math is done outside the classroom, where people with different strengths work together to solve challenging real world problems. And finally, I set meaningful homework that builds on class learning. This allows students to reflect on or connect new knowledge at home rather than just blindly practicing a process. The next question I get asked is, how do I tackle a student who is bored and unmotivated in class? If class material isn't moving fast enough, under-challenged students more than likely lose the motivation to pay attention or put effort into their work. And these students require advanced material and challenging work to keep them engaged. I strongly believe in developing skills that extend far beyond the grade level and not to hold students back. I do not hesitate teaching them concepts from the next grade level in order to keep them motivated and engaged. I create more challenging versions of regular homework assignments as well. And this way, if certain students are mastering material very quickly, I can give them work that covers the more complex aspects of the topic to keep them engaged. This ensures that they master material to a higher level that interests them, which could enable them to take reach ahead credits in the future. Furthermore, I don't just teach students academic skills, but also teach them how to learn. Students will build skills that will help him or her from elementary to post-secondary education and beyond, providing them with the tools they need to achieve success throughout their life. And finally, I also get asked as a parent, what can they do at home to support their child's learning to achieve success in math? Now, I firmly believe parent engagement matters. And study after study has shown that student achievement improves when parents play an active role and they are involved. Parent engagement is a key factor in the enhancement of student achievement and well-being. You, as parents, can do your part at home to challenge your child. What I recommend is during homework time, I suggest employing methods that best help them learn. Online learning is another way to encourage in-depth study. Take advantage of fun online activities and games, such as platforms like IXL and Mathletics, etc. You have to remember that learning not only takes place inside the classroom, but outside as well. Additionally, you could create custom busy boxes at home, which are a great way to keep children entertained and busy while reinforcing the lessons. These busy boxes could contain flashcards, wiki sticks, craft projects, and journals that you could put inside. Some other ways you could help your child is by making sure there is a quiet place set aside to do homework, helping them with their homework, meeting with teachers, uh, and communicating about their progress. And then finally, and most importantly, talking to your child about their day at school. Hope my responses help you. Thank you.